Alright everyone, this is what's look like the packaging. And yeah, super cute small action camera. I'm really excited. So let's open it. Oh, how do you open it? Maybe like this. At the edges. Oops. Let's look like open. Already. And look like open. Charger. And strap. Ooh, they got strap. That's exciting. And the camera. This is what's look like the box, guys. 1080 full HD action camera. And we got a charger, USB charger. We got a mount. I think this is for bike or helmet mount. And we got again the charger to connect your USB charger. And not sure is it for helmet or bike because they got two type of mount. Not sure which one for the bike and which one is for the helmet. So yeah, we got two mounting for the camera. And also we got this, I don't know what is this. Oh, to attach your camera, I think this one. And the strap, I think this is the strap for the camera. Oh, so cute. Yep, the strap for the camera. That is really cute. Oops. Yes guys, this is the strap for the camera if you want to strap it to your body, I think, or helmet or bike, something like that. And we got two Velcro, like the sticky one that you can put it in something. This one, they call it Velcro because they have those sticky thing that you can attach it everywhere. So this is the camera. Looks like, guys, super cute action camera. We got in the corner, I think this is the one you wanna remove the waterproof case. And they got these two, I don't know what is that. And this is the camera, and this is the one that you can attach it to the tripod. And this is what's look like the camera. Super cute. I'm so excited. So if you wanna remove the waterproof case, this one, you just snap it and there you go. That's what's look like the camera. And let's take it out with the case. Alright, so this is what's look like the case. Super thick case. If you want, I think if you want to use it for like under the water, you have to put this waterproof case so that it won't get wet the camera. It protect the camera. And yeah, this is the case for the action camera. And this is what's look like the camera, guys. So cute, so tiny, very tiny camera. Oh my god, it's so cute. And right here they have got menu. Right here they got the menu and two button like arrow left and right. I don't know what's that for. It's on the back of the camera. This is what's look like. And you get the USB charger there, and also the micro SD card right there too. See you guys. And this is the on and off button, and then this is, I think, if you want to take a videos or pictures. Right here they have pictures of the camera, and this is what's look like the camera. Super cute and very light camera. Wow, I can put it in my pocket. You're not gonna able to tell that you have something in your pocket because it's super light. Very light camera. There you go, guys. Is it on? Oh, look guys, I already turned it on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It looks, the quality is look good. Can you see guys? Oh my god, I cannot wait. I'm so excited. And this is the fun part. They have plastic. Let's take it out the plastic. I don't know how to take, I'll figure out later. But this is what's look like the camera. There you go guys. Whoops. Ooh. All right. Okay everyone, so I took this camera out for test drive. Super cute camera, so I took it outside to give a video test or whatever you call that, like an early 20s smartphone camera. The video quality something like that, and it has distorted images as you film, something like that. Bad audio was not always bad, but listen to how bad it gets. Horrid frame rates as I walk. Yep. And here's the video test. There you go. There's the audio and video test. So nasa park tayo. Ayan yung araw, yung sikat ng araw. Getting files off really sucks. It's hard to transfer it to my computer. The camera uses MJPEG files. I don't know what's that mean, but Dan figured out how to do that MJPEG files. He transferred it to my computer easier, fast, and we figured out how to transfer my the footage of this camera to my computer. And Adobe doesn't support, and I have to correct it. So it's kind of hard to transfer the video to the computer, just to transfer the videos to the computer. So I got it for sale for $12. It's not bad for $12. So I figured out why not to do an unboxing, and at the same time give a review for this Vivitar action camera. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Let me know, guys, what your thought about this camera. Let me know in the comment down below. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.